Very goth coquette, very on trend. Anything that you can just add a little bit of glamour into your hair looks. Hi, I'm Anna Cofone, Global Creative Advocate of Authentic Beauty Concept. We are here with Casey. We're going to be doing a look that's heavily inspired by a trend that went viral earlier in the year, the Goth Coquette look. This look is all about soft, loose waves, but also lots of structure at the roots. So we'll be using the Authentic Beauty Concept Nude Powder Spray and also the Airy Texture Spray to give us a foundation that will enable us to do some backcombing. Casey has amazing hair and it's perfect for this look. I'm going to be using the Airy Texture Spray, just working this through the sections, mainly focusing at the roots. And then I'll be drying that in before then applying the nude powder spray just in the areas where I want to get lift. The nude powder spray is great for applying in the roots just to help give some extra grit and texture to the hair. Perfect in this case where we'd like to put some backcombing into the hair to create this slightly higher shape. We will be using the curling irons on the mid-lengths and ends, but before that, I want to just work through the top area and just start putting in my backcombing. Taking 2 centimeter thick sections, brushing the hair straight up, and with the mason going in from about 2 inches from the roots and then brushing back and downwards. Having put some backcombing into our top area, I'm now going to be adding in a loose wave using the medium-sized tongs and the working hairspray, 230-degree heat protection, so it's perfect for applying to the mid-lengths and ends before then using the heated tool. With my sections, I'm working from top of the head and working my way down. Using the hairspray all the way to the ends. Combing that through. What this does is it just creates an even smoother quality to the hair. I like to do the set on top of the back comb because what that does is it just helps to reinforce the back combing by also setting that. So in case anyone is wondering why was the back comb placed in before, the reason is it just helps to make sure that that structure is really set into the base of the hair. With curtain bangs, what you want to make sure of is that you are overextending the bang. So bringing it forward before then wrapping it around the barrel. And by doing that, you're helping to create this wide bend in the hair so that once it's cooled down and you brush it through, you have this beautiful shape that is just skimming the corner of the eye. We finished setting the hair. All the curls are clipped in. We're going to do one more light mist of working hairspray and just allow this to cool down. Our beautiful brushed out waves with some height through the top and these curtain bangs that are just skimming the face and just giving this beautiful detail. And now we're going to use one that I've made earlier. So it's a combination of 2 bows, and then we've just added a vintage piece of jewelry. Very goth coquette, very on trend. It's really lovely to have little things in your kit that you can play with, accessories, just building up a selection of headbands, bows, jewels, anything that you can just add a little bit of glamour into your hair looks. One final small hack for you. This comb is one of my absolute go-tos in my session kit. What you can do with the wider section of the comb is just use that to separate any curls. And it's just a really lovely little trick. If you're happy with the overall look of the hair, but you just want to do a couple of final adjustments, and your finished goth coquette look.